Hi, online learners. What did one plate say to the other plate? Dinner is on me. All right, today in EL, we are learning, we're going to be on lesson 4. So hopefully you watched the video before this, close reading The Most Magnificent Thing. Let's go to the next slide. So it says, hello students, what are we learning and doing today? Today we will continue our close read aloud. Look at the bold print right there. Close read aloud of the book, The Most Magnificent Thing. So I told my class, let's see if I can get my pen on here. Let's do red. The Most Magnificent Thing. Why is that underlined? Do you guys know? So when words are underlined, it means that it is a title. So this is the title of a book. What is the book called? The Most Magnificent Thing. So it says, we will also work through a new challenge. So that challenge that you just did was Simon Says on the computer. So if you didn't do, excuse me, if you didn't do the challenge, go back, click on that website. If that website doesn't work for you, maybe have your parents find another Simon Says, because that was our challenge. Let's go to the next slide. So close readers do these things. Look at the pictures. Reread important parts of the text. So close readers do these things. They, oh, whoops, there's my star. Look closely at pictures. So when you were reading the book, the online version of The Most Magnificent Thing, did you click pause? Did you look at the pictures a little bit more closely? And close readers also reread important parts of the text. So they reread important parts of the text. So how was the little girl able to make such a magnificent thing? How? How is a key word. How? How was the little girl able to make such a magnificent thing? Did she give up after the first time? No. Did she keep making the same thing? No. Well, then how? How did she make such a magnificent thing? She continued to try and try again, right? So what does it look like to reread the text? For us in our online instance, we rewatch the video as many times as we need. And what does it look like to look closely at illustrations? So pausing the video, right? That way we can infer about different ideas that are coming through the text. All right, the most magnificent thing. The most magnificent thing anchor chart. So what the girl does and what this is called. So look at the first column. That is what the girl does. She decides to make something. That's using initiative. She takes action. So we can put a check mark. She wants to work together with someone, right? She wants to work with her pup. That is collaboration. And what is our other, what's that next habit of character that we've been learning about? Perseverance, right? Perseverance. So I can try writing this. You don't have to write this, friends. Perseverance. This is not writing on the computer. This is with the mouse pad. So my writing may look a little bit sloppier. So what does the girl do for perseverance? Perseverance, remember, it's the persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay. So how did she use perseverance? She kept trying, right? She kept putting her ideas to use and kept building more and more magnificent things until finally it clicked. So perseverance, think about the word perseverance. That's the word we're focusing on today, perseverance. And with perseverance, how were you able to complete? We did this in class. It was a juggle challenge, but we're gonna say, I'm gonna switch my pen here. Pen color to black. Complete the Simon. Simon Says challenge, because that's what you guys did. Simon Says. So how were you able to complete the Simon Says challenge? Did you guys get to the second level, the third level, the fourth level? And if you noticed on that website, you could change it to easy, medium, or hard. So how did you keep going? How did you use that persistence in order to keep winning Simon Says? Even though it got more difficult and it probably got faster, you guys used perseverance. Pat yourself on the back. Say, I did an awesome job. All right, open up to your EL book. We're going to open up to this page. How were you able to complete the challenge? Show examples from your experience. So it says, I can explain what I did to complete the challenge. This is going to be our learning target right here. So our learning target, I'm going to change my pen color once more. This is our learning target right up here. So load your bow and arrow. Take a look at this. Let's read it. I can explain. So repeat after me. I can explain what I did to complete the challenge. Aim right here. Fire. Awesome job, guys. So right here, how are you able to complete the challenge? Show examples from your experience. So we are going to write this. What I'm going to do is exit out of this. We'll keep these annotations. We are going to duplicate this slide. And on this slide, though, we are going to put in a sentence frame. So with this picture, I'm going to help you guys out what to write. So with this picture, it's going to look like this. We're going to erase that. And we can delete this. So I'm going to insert a sentence frame. So our sentence frame can start like this. I completed the challenge by using, and what did we use? What did we use? Perseverance, right? So we're going to write this in the text below. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. I completed the challenge by using perseverance. I'm going to actually write it in red so that way you guys know. So this is our sentence frame. We're going to write the whole thing. So what ends a sentence? A period. What starts a sentence? A capital letter. I completed the challenge by using perseverance. And remember, perseverance is the persistence in doing something despite difficulty. So even though that Simon Says game was pretty challenging, and if not, I hope you were able to go to the more challenging one, we are going to use this sentence frame. I'm going to make it black and white so that way you guys know. I just want you to know that perseverance is the word that we are focusing on today. So I completed the challenge by using perseverance. Write this where the lines are and then draw a picture. How are you able to complete the challenge? Show examples from your experience. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. If you need to, pause the video, write it, and draw it. That's all for today, my friends. Bye, guys.